beautiful people. Welcome to my channel. We are back from the toy shop. I am going to open the package now. This is my cute pencil box that I brought, and then it has glitters. It has something here. That's cute. It says Yuya. So it has a glitter.
Yeah, it's glittery.
And then it has a little heart here.
Yes,
Can you
yes,
see
I
it?
can see that.
And then we have brought some pottery. We can do something. This whole box, I don't know what it says. This whole
So what
box.
can we do with that?
I don't know, but I can wait. Also, I brought some stickers, so it's like butterflies.
Show it here.
Here.
Yeah.
It says pop-up stickers. Okay. Let's
Where are
see.
you going to stick it?
On
Have you
my
decided?
camera.
Okay.
It is going to be lots of butterflies. That it's going to be like this. It's so funny. This is my moon. Let's open this. Maybe I have this Minecraft story because it's my favorite.
Yeah.
It's like Diary of a Minecraft Zombie Book 6. Okay.
But then I think it's going to be a scary one.
Nope. It's just a story. Also, I brought some. This one.
What is that?
See, it's a pen.
Mm-hmm.
It's just a pen. So, I just brought them. This one, it lights up. I am going to show you. Close your eyes, beautiful people.
Oh.
Now open your eyes.
Yeah, it's magic.
Let's see that it's a light off. Wait,
Okay.
Wait here.
Okay.
Look at that glowing.
Yeah, you can show that again.
Where's my pen? Yeah.
Oh, wow. That's beautiful.
Magic unicorn. Okay. This is my Konnichiwa ice cream sharpener.
Let me see nicely. Where does it say konnichiwa?
I don't know. This is Konnichiwa.
Can you read Japanese? That looks like Korean.
I don't know.
Konnichiwa is Japanese. And I don't know what it means, konnichiwa. I think it
how
means
to speak.
I think it
Korean.
means konnichiwa. It means hello
Yeah,
in
I don't
Japanese.
know. Yeah, I think so.
Okay,
Okay.
some more.
This is my really big slime. It will be so specially. It has a sheep on it. Also, I have this diary. It's like a diary book. Let's see. Okay, let's see this one.
Show me here.
This is like.
I think it's for coloring.
I think so. But it has colors on it.
Yes,
It has color pencil.
that's a color pencil.
Yeah, it's a color pencil.
And also the crayons.
It's like a crayon.
So you can color all of this.
I want to color the pizza. Where's that pizza?
Yeah. Okay, are there any more left?
I don't know. but I can't wait.
in the packet.
These are my more color. These are my color pencils.
No, keep the color pencil there inside.
Why? But I want to color.
You want to color right now?
Yeah. Cause it's very new. Cause I like pandas. It's so very new. And then it's going to be special. Space panda. There's more. And this is my Konnichiwa. This is my Dino Unicorn. This one rubber.
Eraser.
Yeah. And then I have my little diary book. World's Best Brothers. But look at this. It's golden. So golden.
Mm-hmm. So, which one are you going to play with first?
Pottery, because I like it.
You want to open that first?
Yeah.
Maybe in the next video?
Yeah.
We'll wait for the next video.
Yeah.
So what do you have to say to your viewers?
Bye bye. I love you. Enjoy your life.
And then?
I love you so much. And then the video. And then you are so nice to me. And then it will make us so happy. And then it will be so happy. And then
What do you say in the end of the video?
thank you for watching and subscribe for my video.
Bonk. 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 Bonk.
Say bye.
Bye bye. I'm going to smash it.